printing toys, they're 3D printing real human organs, and nobody's talking about how insane this is. Scientists use bio-ink, basically living human cells, to print skin, ears, and mini hearts that actually beat. The goal is wild: to print full-size organs perfectly matched to your body. No donors, no waiting lists, no rejection. If printing organs is crazy, wait till you hear about a South Korean exam so important the entire country literally stops moving. Tap to watch that next.
Subscribe to my channel.